How to get best one state RP promo codes and how to redeem. Promo codes in one state RP can give you free rewards like cash, boost, or items, and here's how to find them and redeem them safely. So developers release codes during events or updates. You can find them on official social media trusted gaming blogs or community groups. Make sure to avoid fake websites. Now launch the One State RP on your device and then head over to the main menu and look for the promo code or redeem option in the settings, and this is where you enter your code. You can also enter the code on the website, so you just need to sign into your account on the website and then go ahead and enter the promo code, enter the unique code you receive into the designated field, choose the server you play on and the character who will receive the reward. Confirm entry and click on the activate button to complete the process. Now check your reward. After a successful entry, you will receive a confirmation and be able to use the reward in the game. And that's how you get and redeem promo codes in One State RP.